I made it, but as you can see, it's raining a little bit. I don't really have much to do tonight. It's gonna get dark here in about an hour or two. This is the bed for the night, though. Well, good morning. It's kind of nasty. It's like about 35 and a light sprinkle. I slept pretty okay. I was right next to this wide open field here, and just a few minutes ago, there was a bunch of deer over there, and you can hear the turkeys right now gobbling right over there. Let's get her moving. I think we're gonna see a lot of animals today. You can see all the trees down. I mean, they had a pretty nasty storm come through here. That big one over there is pretty messed up. I fished it for about an hour. Nothing. I haven't even seen a fish, so I'm gonna get moving. So I moved spots. I'm on the same river, just right off the road here, and there's a little campsite and a bunch of trails that go back here, so I'm gonna follow that and try to get to the river. Well, it's been a little while. I drove by like 3 spots and they were all pretty busy, so I just left them alone. And I was driving down this, it's just a little 2-track, and on the maps there's a bunch of like perfectly circled lakes, and they're all kind of stacked. And on the maps you can see how far they go down, like the topographic map. It's a bunch of gravel pits, and I passed one of them, and there were 2 guys fishing, and one of the guys was pulling a fish out of the lake, so I didn't go to that one. There was one just further down the road, and I'm at the trailhead. It should only be a couple 100 yards, but I think it's gonna look pretty cool. New spot. The road was honestly getting pretty rough. I can show a little bit, but it was just this really small 2-track, and it was getting really, really bumpy. But I found a little pull-off here. There's a gate, and the Pigeon River, it says on the map, is about 500 feet in that direction, so I'm just gonna start walking and hopefully it takes me there. some big poop. I've gone about a third of a mile and still nothing. I still haven't even seen a fish. There's a few good pockets in here, but I've been fishing for about 5.5 hours now. I'm gonna start heading back towards the car. Wow. Big bone. I'm walking across this field right now, and there's some elk bones over here, so I'm looking for sheds, and man, you can kind of see them, but that is a big snake. He's out here laying in the sun. I'm actually not gonna bug him. He's sunbathing. Oh my goodness, that last little hike took it out of me. I've been fishing and running around for about 6 hours now, so I think I'm gonna head back home, and that's gonna be this. I didn't catch anything. Yeah.